Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. From here, you need to select Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!